generation needs people who inspire them to build the world of tomorrow. With Seabery STEM Welding, welding becomes a real, safe, and motivating educational experience. A tool designed to spark technical vocations in the classroom thanks to augmented reality and gamification. Easy to use, no installation required, with content and exercises ready to use from day one. A new way of learning, a new way of teaching. Request your demo at seaberyat.com and be part of the change.